Hey boaters, what's going on? I figured I showed myself on the damn video for the first time. I'm pretty camera shy, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. Today I am taking out two of my tunnels. They're the Zippkits G30, and I got a third one that I'm building, so stay tuned for that one. You guys will check that out. The green one is running a new prop. I'm running a 4216 cleaver and CNC. Because I normally run 4014s. So this one's a bit aggressive, and I'm curious to see how it performs. Both running 4S. I always run 4S on these things. I don't snap any shafts. I don't recommend 6S, but if you got the dough to be buying flex shafts all the time, go for it. You know, if you want to have fun retrieving your boat and all that stuff. But 4cell, I get enough power. I'm not into trying to get high speeds with these boats, hence my name on the channel is Not Fast, because I like fast, don't get me wrong, but man, I love how a boat handles too. So the story with the blue one and the orange one, when I was building these boats, I cut a little bit of a corner, reducing the amount of glue on the sponson sheeting. Specifically in the instructions, it says to add a thin layer of epoxy on the sheeting and a thin layer of epoxy on the foam. And I didn't heed that, and I just added a thin layer to the sheeting. I was trying to keep things clean too, and so since I turn right all the time, the right sponson sheeting came off clean on both boats, and that was a good sign that, hello, you're not using enough glue, you know, you're not following the instructions, and that's why that happened. So I blame myself and take full responsibility for that. Here's a clip of the orange one here. You can see that it's slow motion spinning out. That was by itself because the sponson just ripped off, and the sheeting is there floating, but you can't really see it. Shortly after I warned my buddy that there's debris in the water, and to avoid it, he runs it over. It wasn't much of damage, just a small little cut on the front of the sponson, so I managed to fix that up. Yeah. So I'm waiting for my buddy to get here so we can run some boats. I'm over here at the pond, you can see. It's a little spot here that we have here in South Florida. I love this little spot. I also fish here too. Caught quite a few bass in this little pond here. There's some ducks, there's some turtles. In fact, my buddy hit a turtle the other day with his boat, and it bent his rudder. Thankfully, it didn't rip off his transom. So what I do is, when I get a boat in the water, guys, I go slow. I do like a lap, basically just warning off any turtles and to let them know that there's some dangerous stuff going on the surface. So yeah, guys, all right, I'm gonna get this puppy in the water, and let's see how she performs with that 4216 cleaver. Oh, I think my my cowling came off.
Oh, God. Get that tugboat out there. That's a pretty far way to swim.
Yeah.
I think as long as it's floating good, yeah, you can have that with your tugboat, no problem.
What the f, man? I don't know if you can see it from here. The whole transom just, I don't know what the hell happened there. Everything was set up normally like I always do. And I may, speaking of turtles, guys, that's what probably happened to me. I probably hit a turtle, and it basically ripped this up a little. You can see that the angle's off. Yeah, definitely hit a turtle. Speaking of turtles, I hit a turtle.